I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your May the 21st to May the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience, no? So pwede kayong sumali doon para makapagtanong. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang ng reading na ito. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Aries, maraming pagbabago ang pwedeng mangyari this week. I am medyo nakakakaba, no? Itong pagbabago na ito ba for good or ito ba ay, something that I can, I need to worry about. Ayan. Kailangan ko ba maghanda, no? With the Six of Pentacles. So it felt like there's longing in here. There's probably walking down memory lane. Baka this week medyo magiging senti tayo, no? For a few numbers of you. Baka kasi we are in separation, no, with our person, whether it is physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent. So that's physical. Energetic, so nakikita naman kayo pero hindi kayo nag-uusap, no? So there's actually gap between you and your person, or it might be a combination of both, which is sobrang sakit. The Fool card and the Nine of Swords. So I feel like the transformation in here is more of biglaan. Siguro hindi natin aasahan. This might be a reminder, or it may serve probably as a warning, no? Na parang sinasabi sa atin, medyo paghanda-handaan natin ng kaunti dahil I feel like medyo hindi tayo makakapagtulog-tulog. Probably we are going to be a little stressed, or is this really an answer to the stress? Let's continue kasi medyo wala pa naman yung cards. One thing's for sure, ang pinaka-clue natin dito is stressed, sleepless nights, probably hindi nakakatulog-tulog, or medyo naapektuhan ang ating mental health. Abrupt yung changes, and I feel like you're missing something. It might be you're missing yung mga days na masaya kayo, yung mga days na okay ang situation, no? I'm seeing that this week is also, sabihin natin, a bit exhausting, no? Exhausting kasi mas mararamdaman natin dito yung pagiging childish, no? Nito ni person, and I feel like this is really meant for you. This is your card. The Fool card that represents Aries. Wow. The Ace of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Five of Wands. I feel like parang mapapansin natin this week, parang hindi tayo mabibigyan ng time, energy, effort, or makukulangan. Sabihin natin, feeling natin madideprive tayo, no? ng time, energy, efforts. Mamimiss natin yung mga moments na kasama natin sa person. Mamimiss natin yung mga times na um, yung harmony is nandyan. Um, I'm seeing this week a bit of a challenging week. Um, I think that this is because of loss of passion. Pwede kasing magiging busy nga si person or magiging busy ka. Yung isa naman dito, whether this is you or your person, no, parang medyo magrereklamo na, uy, sandali, hindi mo na nabibigay yung aking mga needs, especially doon sa mga mag-asawa or doon sa mga couples na um, sabihin natin they're already practicing, yung intimacy, no? Hindi mo na nabibigay yung pangangailangan ng katawan ko, yung sa kama, no? With the Ace of Swords, uh, the Four of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. So I feel like, kasi parang meron pa ditong gagawa ng paraan, um, sabihin natin para either akitin, makatch yung attention, no, ni person. But I feel like hindi, parang makakalimutan. I feel like yun yung pagsisimulan ng a bit of a challenging situation. Yung sabihin natin, either meron kang pernamis sa akin, hindi mo naman siya natupad. Sabi mo, sa ganitong week, sa ganitong date, no, mangyayari. But I feel like merong yung isa magko-call out, no? Parang sasabihin dito, wala kang isang salita, tapos the more na sabihin nating nagve-vent out, the more na hindi siya pinapansin. So, deprivations nga ang nakikita natin dito. Deprivations of energy. Deprivations of mga, kahit yung small talks. Parang sasabihin, ayaw ko ng drama. No? Huwag nating simulan ang week na ito or tapusin itong month na ito na madrama. So, the more na nakikita nung isa na medyo nagiging clingy, nagiging sa tingin niya, overacting, the more na hindi mamamansin. Again, whether that is you or your person. With the Nine of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles and the Tower. So para kasing katulad ng sabi ko, abrupt yung changes. Parang all of a sudden, sa gitna ng celebration, sa gitna ng outing, sa gitna ng, date or kain sa labas, doon ito mangyayari. So, I think that this is more of a warning, no, for you, Aries, dahil I think that the trigger is going to shift all of a sudden from happiness to sadness, or pwede rin itong vice versa. Kung itong kayo ay meron ng separations, baka ito naman din ang transformations nito, no, from pagkakaroon ng sigalot, pagkakaroon ng hindi magandang pagsasama or misunderstanding, baka ito na yung fixations, no. So isipin mo kung nasaan ka ngayon. Are you in a challenging situation? Because if it does, then chances are, ito na yung sinasabi nating either realization, tataas ko sana yung pa ako eh. Realization of fixing the relationship, or kung nando ka naman sa medyo maayos, no, or happy situation, this might also be a warning para hindi na tayo ma-trigger kung ayaw natin ma-experience, di ba? So that's the reason naman why we are doing the tarot. Not really, well, sometimes to have this sneak peek of the future, but chances are, minsan ginagamit kasi din itong tarot para medyo ilihis, maiwasan, no, ang prediction. So, I think that this is more of a warning. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede po kayo magtanong dyan. Mababait naman po yung mga tao sa community. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, pumunta na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, Aries, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Leo, Scorpio. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste, and know that you are appreciated. Goodbye.